Hello friends, click on the like button and the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos.
Hello friends and welcome to Automove India. Today I am going to introduce to you a German brand which I have reviewed several times. Today I am going to review another car from that brand. The brand is none other than Volkswagen. Let's move on to the showroom to find out which vehicle it is. So friends, the vehicle which I am going to review today is a surprise as I told you before, and it's revealed right now. It's a big vehicle. So the vehicle which I am going to review today is none other than the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace. Now let me show you the key of the vehicle. This is the key, as you can see. It is a flip key. Behind there is the Volkswagen logo, and here the topmost is button to lock the vehicle. In the middle is the button to open the boot. The bottommost is the button to unlock the vehicle. Next, let me open the engine bay. And the engine bay is open right now. Insulation is given over here. Gets a hydraulic stretch. This is the beautiful TSI petrol engine. The engine is a 2-liter TSI engine. Displacement is 1984 cc. The power output is 190 PS at 4200 rpm, and the max torque output is 320 Nm at 1500 to 4100 rpm. The engine is packed very beautifully. Here, as you can see, nice plastics along with other things given over here. The engine cover is also done very well with TSI written over here, the Volkswagen logo given over here. Let me close the engine bay right now. And the engine bay is closed. Now we'll talk about the design of the vehicle. The vehicle is shaped very neatly and there are no much cuts or creases. It is done very beautifully. Now let's talk about the headlights of the vehicle. It is a full LED unit, and guess what? It gets a cornering function. This is a great feature. This is the grille of the vehicle with chrome lines bold VW logo given over here. It also gets front parking sensors, that is over here. This is the fog lamp of the vehicle. Unfortunately, it is a bulb, not an LED unit. This is the towing hook of the vehicle. Here there is a chrome line, and here also there is a parking sensors. One over here, one on the other side. Also gets a skid plate. The front really looks awesome. Now we are in the side of the vehicle, and in the side also it gets a parking sensors, which is a great feature. So gets body cladding. Now let's check the tire size of the vehicle. The tire size is 235/55 R18. 18 inches alloy. The alloy looks very good indeed. Nice silver finishing with VW logo given over here. Gets a disc in the front as well as at the back, which is a good safety feature. The wheel is a bit dirty as it was raining here and the vehicle had run, so pardon me for that. Here in the side it gets a 4Motion badging with chrome line over here. This is the outside rear view mirror of the vehicle. I like the way it has folded. The side turn indicator is given in the ORVMs itself. There is also a chrome line which runs around the window like this. This is the door handle of the vehicle. As you can see, it is body colored, no chrome or anything like that, and it gets a nice feature, that is passive entry. No buttons to click, but if you put it in your hand, it will unlock itself like this. Just put in your hand and it unlocks, which is a nice feature. I liked it very much personally. These are the roof rails of the vehicle, which is done very beautifully. I like it. I like this also. In the A pillar, the B pillar is blacked out. This is the rear door handle. Now let's check the back tire size. It is of the same size as of the front. Even at the back it gets a disc brake, which is a nice safety feature. Talking about the suspension, in the front it gets an independent wheel suspension with coil spring, whereas at the rear it gets an independent wheel suspension by 4-link axle. This is the fuel tank of the vehicle. It's a petrol engine. The fuel tank capacity is 60 liters. Now let's head to the back of the vehicle. Now I am in the rear of the Tiguan, and there's an antenna placed over there. Spoiler given over here along with a high mount stop lamp. Gets a rear defogger along with a rear wiper. This is the tail lamp of the vehicle, which is a split unit, which is also a full LED unit. 4Motion badging given over here. VW logo given over here boldly, and here Tiguan Allspace written in chrome. There is a reverse parking camera as well. Here in the bumper there is a chrome line along with the reflector. This is the towing hook of the vehicle. Reverse parking sensors placed over here. The exhaust is placed underneath, but there is a fake exhaust given over here. Now let me open the boot of the vehicle. The boot can be opened from here or from the key. There is another way, that is by pressing a button in the driver door, or else there is a smart feature. Let me show you that. And the boot is open right now. As you can see, it is a smart feature. The parcel tray is placed over here. When you don't need the third row, you can take it back and fix it over here. You can recline the third row by pulling a button like this or a lever. And you can put the parcel shelf over here. Not putting it right now. This spare wheel is not mounted below but is here. It is a steel wheel, not an alloy. It is a steel wheel. Also the tool kit is placed over here. Let me bring the seat back. And the seat is back. So there's a hook as well over here in the boot, only in this side. There's also a light in the boot. The boot carrying capacity with the third row seats down is 1274 liters, which is a massive space. Now let me close the boot. Just press a button over here and the boot closes. It is an electric tailgate. Now let us get into the interior of the vehicle. Let me show you how to get into the third row of seats. First, pull the seat to the front. There's a lever over here. Just pull it and the seat reclines. Now you can get into the third row. Let me put the seat here like this. The seat is pushed a bit forward. My legs are almost touching. Under thigh support is very poor. Headroom is not adequate, but my head is almost touching the roof. If there is a hump, my head might touch. It gets a headrest as well, adjustable headrest in the third row as well. The seat is small. People or children like me cannot sit here very comfortably. Here in the left side in the third row we get a cup holder. Now let's get into the second row of seats. I am sitting in the rear seat of the Tiguan. Here it gets a large panoramic sunroof. I'll open and show it to you once I get into the front seat. Here there's a handle along with a hook, light placement over here. Even in the B pillar it gets a hook. The door handle is finished in silver, nice finishing given over here also. The speaker is placed over here. Overall the fit finish is very nice. Power window switch is placed over here. Even the door pockets are massive enough. Below here is the speaker. Now let's check the space at the rear. Legroom superb. Under thigh support is also very good. Headroom is also very good. Because of this panoramic sunroof, it eats a bit of headroom. There's a tray also over here in case you have to eat anything. While traveling, I can eat anything by keeping a food over here. These seats are not scooped. The tray is placed over here. It comes with magazine holders. And guess what? The headrest is adjustable like this. It can be pushed to adjust. Here in the center we get two AC vents. This is to adjust the climate control. Gets a 12-volt charging socket along with a USB port for charging. There is a big hump, so the third passenger might be uncomfortable to sit over here. Now coming to the seats, here it gets a center armrest along with two cup holders. It even gets a center headrest. The seat is a 60-40 split like this. Let me show you. It can be split like this so that you can get into the third row of seats easily. It is a leather seat which is a Vienna leather. Also gets Isofix style seat mount in the second row of seats, which is a nice safety feature over here. This is the dashboard of the Tiguan Allspace. It is done very well. The fit and finish is also very good. It is an all black interior. Now I am sitting in the driver's seat of the Tiguan Allspace. Let us start off with the steering wheel of the vehicle. This is the steering wheel of the Tiguan Allspace. It looks similar to other Volkswagen cars. Here it gets blacked out. Volkswagen logo placed over here. It gets an airbag in the steering. The left side, these controls are for the cruise control. Here is the volume controls, and in the right side it is for the voice command, and these buttons are to browse through the multi-information display. The steering is also adjustable both for tilt and reach. It gets paddle shifters in the steering wheel as well. The left side, these controls are for the indicators. The right side, these controllers for the wiper. This is the instrument cluster of the vehicle. Let me open the driver door and it shows you like this. It also shows you which door is open. You can also change the view of the instrument cluster like this by pressing a button in the steering wheel. Here in the left side, in the right side there's a speedometer and in the left side there's the RPM meter. And it's showing the fuel gauge in the right side and the temperature gauge in the left side. There's the gear position indicator over here. You can also browse through this by clicking a button in the steering wheel. This is the inside rear view mirror of the vehicle. It is an auto dimming as well as a frameless unit. Let's check the co-driver sun visor. Here it gets a mirror along with a light. There is a handle in the co-driver side. There is a handle in the driver side as well. Let's check the driver sun visor. Here also there is a mirror along with a light. Here in the center, these three buttons are to call the service station if in case the vehicle is in breakdown. These switches are for the sunroof. Even this is for the sunroof. This switch is just to open the sun blind. This is to open the sunroof. These switches are to turn on the light over here. Let me open the sunroof for you. First let me open the sun blind. And it is a large panoramic sunroof. It brings a lot of airy feeling inside the cabin. If you press it again, it goes a bit back. It is a large sunroof, as you can see. There is so much space. Let me close it for the moment as it is very sunny over here. And the sun blind is closed. This is the dashboard of the vehicle. It is a black dashboard. Here there is an airbag placed. The dashboard is finished very neatly. Here there is some kind of finishing. Here there is a AC vent placed. Now let me open the glove box. It is a cooled glove box along with a light placed over here underneath. Here there is a SD card slot, not one but two. Here you can insert a CD. Let me close it. And here above we get storage space as well. In the dashboard, AC vents placed over here, hazard light switch. These buttons are to turn on and off the passenger airbag. This is the screen. It is a 8-inch touch screen. As you can see, it is very fluid to use. It gets inbuilt navigation as well, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These are the switches to control the screen. Below are the air conditioning controls. It gets 3-zone climatic control along with automatic climate control. Let me show you the reverse parking camera. Before that, let us shift the gear to reverse. This is the reverse parking camera of the vehicle. And the guidelines are adaptive like this. And even as a part of safety feature, if it detects any vehicle in the front, it will brake on its own like this. Under the air conditioning controls, here we get a 12-volt charging socket, 2 USB ports and an aux port, along with some space over here. And coming back, this is the 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. As you can see, here is the push button start. The button is placed over here. Gets electronic parking brake auto hold function. This is to turn off the auto start stop system. This is to turn off the reverse parking sensors, and this is to turn on the parking feature. That means it will park the vehicle for you. And I forgot to tell you one thing, that this is a 4-wheel drive SUV, so it gets different modes. Over here you can change the modes by selecting this. It displays in the screen and you change the modes like this. It's a normal, sport, off-road, like this. Even it shows in the instrument cluster as well. Here there's this 4 motion badging given. Here it gets 2 cup holders which can be closed like this. Like it very much. And the center armrest can be adjusted like this. Can be pulled back and forth. Let me open the armrest. There's space inside, it is deep enough. You can keep most of your things inside. Let me close it right now. This is the driver door of the vehicle. Here at the top it gets the button to lock and unlock the vehicle. The tweeter is placed over here. Nice finishing given over here. The door handle is finished in silver. Here is the door handle again with silver finishing. These are the power window controls. It gets one touch up down feature for all the windows like this. Nice fit and finish in the door. It's wrapped very nicely, the leather. The boot also can be opened from here by pulling this switch. When the door pockets are large enough, you can fit in a 1 liter bottle easily. Here is the speaker. A scuff plate is also given over here, as you can see. The driver seat is adjustable electrically. Here can be adjusted. Even it gets 3 memory seat functions for the driver's seat. There is a AC vent placed over here in the driver's side, and here these controls are for the headlight. It gets automatic headlights, and once you pull it back, the front fog lamp turns on. If you pull it twice, the rear fog lamp turns on like this. Underneath over here we get storage space. Nice storage space given over here. As a part of safety feature, it gets 7 airbags, ESC or electronic stability control and ABS, along with hill descent control and auto hold. As usual, let me try starting the vehicle. As you all know, I am under 18 years of age, so I can't drive the vehicle. Let me try starting the vehicle, and today I am starting the Tiguan Allspace. And there you go, it rose to life. Wait, don't go. The vlog is still not over. I am going for a drive in the Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace. Please do watch that also. So let's go for the drive. I am on the drive right now in the Tiguan Allspace. I am very excited to go for the drive. Now let's take a turn over here. So the turning radius of this vehicle is 5.95 meters, which makes it easy to turn. It picks up pace very easily. High speed stability is also very good. There is no much body roll or anything like that, because it is called as the SUVW. That is what Volkswagen calls it. Overtaking is not a problem at all. It is a very powerful engine, so overtaking is easy in this vehicle. The noise that you heard right now is of the sensors, as a vehicle has passed by, so it detects the vehicle. So friends, now we have come to an end of this vlog, but before leaving, let me tell you about the Tiguan Allspace. It's an absolutely phenomenal vehicle. I have no words to tell about it. It's such a fantastic vehicle. So as usual, if you like my video, please click the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button Also hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos.